Hi, thanks for watching. This video is about how to find expired listings, expired real estate listings. What happens is a real estate agent gets a contract to sell an apartment building, and the building doesn't sell and it becomes an expired listing. So what we want to do is go look up the information, contact the owner, and try to sell the building. I will show you how to research the expired listings. So we'll start on this page, and I will give you the address. And first thing you'll do is log in. And then you'll go search, residential income, and then we'll get a list of cities, which I will also give you. And then Control V will paste, and then we're going to go canceled and expired. So if you hold the control key down and click canceled and click expired at the same time, you'll be able to highlight both of those. And if you use Internet Explorer, this website pretty much only works right in Internet Explorer. Okay, one second. So also what we're looking for expires in 2010. So we want to go to off-market date, January 1st, 2010. And then if we put the end date, see minimum date, max date. So if we go 12/31/10. First thing we'll do, get the statistics. So we see that a total of 5,600 properties came up expired that year. And but the most we can show at one time is 250, so we have to narrow that down. So let's go back. We can click here and go back. And actually, let's make the price a minimum of 400,000. So minimum 400,000. And since we can only show 250 at a time, let's change this to January 20th, 2010, and then we'll go search. Okay, so I found 211, which is less than our 250 maximum. So as long as we're under 250 displayed, we're fine. Okay, so what we'll do is we'll come down here and we'll hit check all listings, and then we click download, and then scroll down to the bottom and click this one and create download, and then we click open if your browser does this. Now if we hit Control A, that will highlight everything, and if we then hit Control C, that will copy everything. And then if we open up a sheet in Microsoft Excel and go Control V to paste, and if you want to make the columns look nice, you can do that. So here we are. Okay, we've got our first batch. Now we want to add to it. So we can hit the back button, or it's probably easier just to come back to this one, and we want to get another 250 or less. So the last date we used was January 20th. So let's go, the next one will go, the following day is January 21st, 2010. And let's go to January 30th, 2010, and click statistics. Okay, that's too many. Okay, we can do more than that. So we'll go residential income again, scroll down. What if we do February 10th, 2010? See how many that gives us. 183, that's fine, that's a lot. So one more time, check all listings, download, click trace to, create download, open, Control A, Control C, go back here, and then see we have our cursor right here. We go Control V, and we've got a bunch more. And you'll do that all the way up until December 31st, so it should give you about 5,600 listings. And now what we want to do, we want to check and see, are the listings, did these properties ever sell? This was back in 2010, so maybe after the listing expired, maybe they listed the property for sale again, and maybe it's sold. So if it did sell, then we don't want to call them or pursue them. So now we're going to check to see if they sold. And in fact, I'm going to end this video and we'll continue on the next video. Thank you.